Effect of waste wood biomass on the properties of withstanding dust recycled polypropylene composites. Wood plastic composites WPCs are a young generation of semi-biocomposites that have attracted increasing research interest in both scientific and industrial areas over the past few decades. The use of WPCs is rapidly growing worldwide in the automobile industry and building engineering for the production of consumer goods, domestic and technical materials, etc. To decrease climate change, more research focuses on decreasing waste wood biomass WWB burning and increasing its conversion into value-added products. This study aimed to characterize the WWB and to investigate its effect on the composition of a hybrid lignocellulosic filler on the properties of recycled polypropylene RPP-based wood plastic composites WPCs. The WWB was isolated from model wood processing wastewater with a new hybrid coagulant by the coagulation flocculation method. In the work, 2 samples of WWB were studied. The first sample was isolated from the wastewater by its evaporation at room temperature first and then at 60 degrees Celsius for 48 hours. The second sample was extracted by the coagulation flocculation process of the wastewater with the developed hybrid coagulant, representing the polymer complex of the composite coagulant based on polyaluminium chloride and high molecular polyethylenamine. Characterization was performed using pyrolysis gas chromatography mass spectrometry (PY), GC, MS and Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy (FT, IR). The waste biomass contained high molecular lignin and hemicellulose substances and represented a finely dispersed powder. It was hydrophobic and was characterized by enhanced thermal stability. To minimize the negative effect of polymer wastes on the environment, recycled polypropylene as a polymer matrix was used with the hybrid filler in fabricating WPC samples. The presence of the coagulated WWB in the hybrid filler composition positively affects the mechanical properties, water uptake, and dimensional stability of the composite samples. This behavior of the waste biomass suggests its potential to act as a compatibilizer, enhancing interfacial adhesion within the composite system. Introduction. The world faces serious environmental problems like climate change, land damage, and water shortages. Using renewable energy and materials is essential to help solve these issues. One promising material is wood plastic composites WPCs, which combine plastic and wood waste to create strong, eco-friendly products. WPCs are used in many everyday items like furniture, fences, and car parts because they resist weather, insects, and fungi better than natural wood. This study focuses on using waste wood biomass, such as leftover sawdust and bark from wood processing, mixed with recycled plastics to make WPCs. These wood wastes often come from treating wood with hot water, producing sludge that is usually burned or discarded. Instead, this waste can be used as a natural filler in plastics, reducing waste and creating valuable products. The research looks at how this wood waste affects the strength and quality of recycled plastic composites, aiming to develop sustainable materials that support environmental protection and circular economy goals. Conclusion. This study explored using a special type of wood waste called wood wastewater biomass WWB combined with wood sanding dust to create a natural filler for recycled plastic-based wood plastic composites WPCs. The WWB is made during water cleaning with a new coagulant that binds wood particles into a solid sludge. This sludge is made mostly of stable wood substances like lignin and hemicellulose, with very small particles. Adding a small amount of WWB up to 5% to the composite improved its strength, made it absorb less water, and reduced swelling when wet. It also made the surface less polar, which helps the materials stick better together. This suggests that WWB acts like a natural glue, helping the wood and plastic parts bond well. However, adding too much WWB made the composite weaker. Using WWB in this way offers a smart, eco-friendly method to recycle wood waste and improve recycled plastic products. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.